This is the only way you can make trading easy for yourself. You take a buy from this level, take a sell from this level, and you can see all those was beautiful swing trades. You can always take trade like this, of course, and always make a lot of pips, about 500, 700, up to 1,000 pips if you use this strategy. You don't have to follow the noise of the markets. All you have to do is to wait for market to reach this particular point that I'm about to tell you. And the first 1 minute of this video is more important. So make sure you do not skip the first 1 minute. Watch properly and understand exactly what I'm about to tell you. I promise you, if you're seeing this video, you are so lucky because I shouldn't have posted this right here. It should just be one of those things that I'm going to sell right in my course, but I'm going to show you guys for free. So let me dive in now and show you exactly how to use this strategy. So this strategy is super exciting. So I wanted to take your time properly and understand the terms we're going to be using. Firstly, I'm going to want you to understand what is a structure, all right? Because we're going to be looking for markets to create a structure, okay? So what I mean by a structure is whenever we have a market that creates an angle. So I'll just go ahead and show you exactly what I mean by an angle, okay? Now, whenever we have a market goes this way and come down to this level, it has created a structure, all right? Or if we have market in the other way and then market comes this way and go back to the upside, we also have a structure being created, okay? So that is the first thing you're gonna make sure that we see in the market, all right? I want to be on daily time frame because this is swing trade. You don't want to see what's going on in the manipulation, okay? What you just want to do is see a good opportunity for a trade and boom, you jump into the market, all right? So now you understand what is the structure. Now, secondly, you need to look for markets that close the structure with a long candle swing, okay? Now, if you check this candle right here, we have a long wick candle, all right? And properly, if we also look into that market, you could see that the market has created a structure, all right? We can consider the structure from here down to this place, okay? Now, this is the two things we need to make sure we see in the market. The market has created a structure and we have a long wick candle, all right? Now that the market has created a structure and we have a long wick candle, the top of the long wick candle is going to be our target, all right? So remember, we want to take a swing trade. It's either we take a reversal or we take a breakout, all right? Now, carefully, this is what you want to see, all right? You want to make sure after picking out the real points at the top of the wick, you want to see markets come down to that level, all right? Just like this right here. You can see how markets came all the way down, then returned back to that level, all right? Then immediately you see the markets close below the key level we just draw right there. You're going to go for a sell, all right? And this is very simple and straightforward. The wick right at the top is going to be a stop loss, okay? So imagine you took a sell trade from this level and you have your stop loss to be around this level right here, just a little bit above the previous week. And you can target this liquidity right here as you take profit. And that's about 1 to 4.7 risk to reward, all right? So we're going to go back and have a lot of practice so that you can understand what I'm talking properly, all right? So when I talk about a structure, I mean what I'm talking about. Because when you see this market right here, we have a long wick candle, all right? But there's no structure right here. So we're now going to consider that to be an opportunity for us to take a trade, all right? So we're going to go down and see other opportunities. Okay, right here, you could see we have another long wick candle, all right? So you want to make sure that you target out the wick of that long wick candle. And then secondly, you want to make sure that you see that the market has created a structure, all right? So check it out from here down to this level, down to this level right here. The market has created a structure, all right? So what we want to see right now is to see our markets close around this line. So obviously you can see that the line was to break out and we have a candle closed above that line, okay? So that shows that we're going to be having a buy. And then obviously we're going to make sure that we see the markets want to try to push to the upside, then we'll take a trade. So this candle already shows us that the market is going up. This is a daily candle, so the manipulation is very low right there, okay? So obviously, right here, we're going to be going for a long position. Immediately this candle gets a close, and our stop loss is going to be a little bit below this week right here. And then we can check back to see if we have some kind of liquidity we can grab at the back there. But this doesn't look like we can grab any liquidity at the back there. So what we're just going to do right there is to make sure we go to about 1 to 5 risk to reward. All right, and you can see that was a boom as well, all right? So we got a lot of opportunity to test right here, okay? So make sure it's closed in a long wick candle, all right? So that's it. That's how super easy it is for you not to come to the market all the time and, experience those noises. Just do exactly as I ask you to do. Backtest this as much as you can. Use this to trade any pair. Then come back to the comment section to tell me exactly what your experience looks like. And if you want a one-on-one live mentorship that's going to help you to be a profitable trader, you can use the link in the description of this video to get registered to my live mentorship, and you will get to know better. So see you guys in my next video.